Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Grimey from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the inner line of his hoodie with curved line across and diagonally to the right. Same is gonna turn downwards on the right corner. Same is gonna turn diagonally across to the left. Turn it across to the left with a curved line and turn it back diagonally up to the right. Curved line upwards above that ending point and same is gonna turn to the right. Inside of the hoodie, I'm gonna draw his face with a circular shape for the upper part right there. Turn it downwards and diagonally to the right at that corner. And on the left side, turn it diagonally down and turn it to the right with a curved line. Same is turn diagonally to the right. Now inside of his head, in the middle point, I'm going to draw the top line of his mouth with curved line across at that corner. And another similar curved line across for the lower line of his mouth. In between those two lines across, from the lower left corner, I'm going to draw his teeth with a line upwards. Sharp turn diagonally down to the right. Sharp turn diagonally up to the right. And repeat that same zigzag line across all the way to the right side of his mouth. Above the mouth, I'm going to draw his eye with a line diagonally up, off center to the left. Arch curved line to the left, turn it downwards and slightly to the right. Repeat that same set of line again for the right eye. For the outer line of his hoodie, I'm gonna trace the same set of line on the left corner. And at the lower point, turn it downwards at that corner and slightly to the right. And from the ending point above, turn it diagonally up to the right and further away from the inner line. Same is gonna turn to the right. Turn it diagonally downwards with a curved line on the right side. Turn it downwards and flare it slightly out to the right. Same is gonna turn downwards at that corner. Below that ending point, slightly to the left, a curved line out to the right, and at that ending point, curved line upwards and to the right. Flare it back out to the left, and arch curved line across to the right. Turn it back downwards and mirror the whole thing on the outer corner on the right there. At that ending point, curved line diagonally downwards to his arm. Flare it slightly out to the right. And on his elbow point right there, curved line upwards and to the right, flare it out to the left, and arch curved line to the right. Turn it downwards and turn it inwards to the left, curved line downwards. For the lower arm, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards at that corner and slightly to the left. And below that, I'm going to draw his finger with a line downwards. Same is gonna turn to the left, sharp turn diagonally up to the right and turn it upwards. Above that ending point, a short line across to the left, turn it diagonally down to the left and same is gonna turn across to the left. Sharp turn diagonally up to the right and turn it upwards. Turn it sideways to the left at that corner, turn it downwards, sharp turn outwards on the left side. Same is gonna turn diagonally up to the inner corner of his arm. Turn it upwards and turn it diagonally inwards to the left at the upper point. Below that inner line, I'm going to draw the right side of his waist with curved line downwards and to the left. Turn it back outwards below the waist to the right. Curved line downwards to his knee right there. Flare it back outwards below the knee to the right, and curve line downwards. Now for his left shoulder, I'm gonna draw on the left side of his hoodie. At the lower point, diagonal line downwards to the left, semi-scattering downwards, curve line across diagonally to the left and downwards, sharp turn upwards at that corner with curve line and slightly to the left, flare it out to the right and arch curve line to the left, turn it downwards and mirror the same set of curve line on the left corner. Semi-scattering back upwards at that corner, sharp turn downwards on the left side, a line across to the left and downwards, semi-scattering downwards and turn it diagonally to the right. Sharp turn upwards at the inner corner of that finger, semi-scattering to the right and upwards. Below that, a line downwards at that corner, semi-scattering to the right, sharp turn to the left, a line upwards above that ending point and slightly to the right. Above that ending point, I'm going to draw his thumb with diagonal curve line from the left corner to the right and downwards. Sharp turn back upwards on the right corner, and on the right side of that ending point, slightly below, curve line diagonally across to the right and upwards. For the left side of his body, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards from the inner corner of his shoulder and slightly inwards to the right, curve line downwards and flare it slightly out to the left below his waist. And at that corner, I'm going to draw a diagonal line up to the left, semi-scattering downwards, and above that shape, I'm going to draw a small circle at that corner. Continue the line of his legs downwards below that whole thing, semi-scattering inwards to the right on his knee, curve line downwards below that. And for his boots, I'm going to draw below that ending point, diagonal line outwards to the left and upwards, semi-scattering downwards on the left corner, turn it down and inwards to his ankle point, turn it back diagonally out to the left and to the tip of her shoe, semi-scattering downwards on the left corner right there, and curve line across to the right, turn it slightly down at the back right there, and curve line across. From that ending point, I'm going to align upwards and inwards towards his ankle point, turn it back outwards and up. Above that, semi-scattering to the left at the upper point of the boots all the way to the left. In the middle point of his legs, I'm going to draw a short line across at that corner, semi-scattering diagonally down to the right and inwards to his knee, and below the knee, curve line downwards and slightly flare it back out. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw his boots with an arch curve line across, semi-scattering across to the right and semi-scattering downwards at the outer corner, flare it out to the right and semi-scattering to the left at that point. Curve line diagonally down to the left, curve line across to the left, turn it back upwards on the left corner and turn it diagonally up to the right and to his ankle point. At that inner corner, curve line upwards and flare it slightly out to the left, semi-scattering to the right and upwards. For the inner line of his for the inner line of his left leg, I'm going to draw from the middle point, curve line diagonally downwards to the left, another curve line downwards behind the knee right there and flare it slightly out, turn it back downwards and inwards to his ankle point. Now for the two strings below his hoodie, I'm going to draw a semicircle line on the left corner and I'm going to leave a gap at the lower point. And at that gap from the left, an arch curve line across, a line downwards on both sides of that for the string, a U curve line to the left at the lower point, and extend the line from the top downwards on the left corner. Repeat that same set of shape again for the string on the right there. Now for the pattern of that outfit, I'm going to draw a circular shape on the left corner right there, and I'm gonna leave a gap at the lower point on the right side. Inside of that circular shape, I'm going to draw a smaller circular shape at that corner right there, and inside of that, two small circles at this upper corner, off center on both the left and right. Below that whole thing on the right, I'm going to draw another semicircle line at that corner, and I'm going to leave a gap again at the lower point, and another similar semicircle inside of that at that corner, and below that whole thing I'm going to draw a circular shape at this lower point. Another circular shape inside of that, and inside of that circular shape I'm going to draw a U curve line on the left corner, turn it diagonally up on the left, sharp turn diagonally down to the right, and curve line across to the right. Mirror that same set of shape on the right corner. Below that, I'm going to draw a semi-oval shape at the lower left corner, right there. And inside of that, another smaller oval shape in the middle point. Inside of that small oval shape, I'm going to draw two circular shape at the upper corner, right there. At the inner corner of his left arm, I'm going to draw a semicircle line at that point, and another semicircle line on the right side of that. On his left thigh, I'm going to draw an oval shape at the inner corner. Inside of that, two small circles at the top corner right there, and at the outer corner of that bigger oval shape, I'm gonna draw another oval shape, and I'm gonna leave a gap at the lower left corner, and at that gap a curve line across to the left. Below that whole thing on the right, I'm going to draw a line across diagonally to the right and downwards, U curve line to the left and turn it upwards. Below that, curve line across to the left and turn it diagonally up on the left corner. Repeat that same set of curve line at its lower point. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!